today I'm back with Rachel, and we're gonna be doing nerf war.
And I'm Belle for the video.
Yeah, whatever.
He's my Bella.
Yeah. I'm just bored. So we came across some of our favorite Fortnite names, and so whenever I say go, we're gonna start we're gonna start unloading everything. So when I say go, you start. Okay? 3, 2, wait. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! I got her! Oh shit! Oh, I swore! Whatever. Oh, got me! Oh, I got her! Game over! I win! Wait, done. Well, I win. So that was episode 1, and now we can do episode 2. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!